Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video we are going to show you some craft works that you can make it yourself. So why do you wait? Let's just begin with this rotatable turbine toy. We are now taking a paper cup and we cut out the bottom portion. Then we take a balloon and we cut it and we place it on the portion that we have removed. Then we can place small paper pieces and release it. It shoots out the small articles inside. Here we are making paper fan-like piece. Then we join them together. Then we can just adjust it. It can be opened and closed and it looks very beautiful. Here we take plastic sheet that has bubbles in it and thus we color it to make pineapple and it looks very beautiful. Here we have some thread and using that thread we have made rose flower. Then we can just adjust it. Okay, here we're going to make flower using plastic sheet and thus we have flower buds and flowers with simple items and it looks very beautiful. Rose flower. Here we are making flowers and we arrange it on a paper. Then we can give some colors to make it more attractive and thus we have flower buds and flowers with simple items. Here we have small beads and using that we make flowers and they are joined with hair slides or small sticks like earbuds. Here we have the caps of bottle and this is for making a utility. We can hold our electrical equipment's wires on that holder. Here we take two balloons. One balloon is filled with water and the other one has some holes in it and we insert the first one into the second one and if we press it, the first balloon pops out. Here we have pen holder using wool playing cards and this is for making a utility. So this is also very simple and very useful thing. Now we are making wool egg tray from plastic bottles caps and it looks very beautiful. Here we have leaves and the caps of plastic bottle and we paste it and we can make an amazing drawing. Here again we're taking the cap of bottles and we insert an earbud through the center and we paste it and we can have a spinning top. And finally we can make a clock. How many digits should there be on the dial of a clock? It's 12. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.